Mwachumulia ni gotogo chuchaka kurwase kaunti ya Nairobi asabono murai wense Daktari William Samuel Ruto itukolerero atiania Abanachi Ebina abarachi gokorera ase bigambiro bya Kenya murai wense nigo boigo airali bagelio kobakinia Abanachi Ebina abo amanaba wakiri abatiandwa ase itukolerero ochikoba senior councils naboigo murai wense ya Kenya Daktari William Ruto nigo aira nigo aliyeire yugo chikokonya ebigambiro gaiga sense ya Kenya elio bichiko kwenana obokoreri obuyago chiase abamenyi bense ya Kenya na robotiro nasenchira yobukirano kurwase amaga chamanene nabomenyo kurwase Semoya State House Nairobi.
As the executive, we have a strong interest in an effective and efficient judiciary because our nation's economy and security and the people's rights and freedom depend on it. For this reason, we shall not hesitate to make our contribution to the enhancement of the judiciary's capacity to deliver justice in every part of Kenya, especially through support for infrastructure and other development requirements of our judiciary. To support these efforts, we have increased our budgetary allocation to sectors combating corruption and promoting justice and accountability since 2022-2023 financial year, from Kenya shillings 87 billion to Kenya shillings 108 billion in the current financial year. Some of these resources contribute to the judiciary's infrastructure development, including construction of courts, staff recruitment, and capacity building for law enforcement agencies. I am happy that the establishment of small claims courts across the country has brought justice closer to the people and resulted in a significant increase in the number of resolved cases. I commend the Chief Justice for this initiative. When he said it's going to be bottom-up justice, I think it has truly become. It is crucial to understand that ultimately, we all are servants of the people entrusted with public responsibility for their benefit. At this juncture in our nation's institutional evolution, it is clear where the boundaries of our respective mandates lie. It is time to utilize our capacities and resources to establish collaborative frameworks on issues where we can align and advance the national interest without sacrificing our constitutional autonomy. I believe, and I know from humble precedents, that it is possible for us to engage in progressive conversation and find consensus on ways and means of enabling one another to serve the people better. As the executive, we have a strong interest in an effective and efficient judiciary because our nation's economy and security and the people's rights and freedom depend on it.